Hello, Where. I'm here again. Yeah. Sorry right away because I'm a little bit sick, so maybe I will cough. So this is my first time trying using Inkscape, and I love it because it's for free and it's quite easy to use. And I was thinking I wouldn't be able to do it so fast, but this is the first full illustration I ever did. Before I tried some logos, but that's all. And now I think I have a pretty good hand on it. I'm not sure yet, but yeah. All of this video won't be a screenshot because at the time I was doing this I didn't think that my computer will sustain Inkscape and the video recorder, screen recorder going together, so yeah. Still gonna be filming with my handy cam. Here I'm showing you my sketch which I did by hand and some extra sketch I had which I tried to do some color scheme on it and see what could fit. My idea was to use as little colors as I can. to try and choose a color palette which would have like one color which pops out and just a few other shades so that I wouldn't be overwhelmed and that colors would match. So yeah, I'm coloring in with watercolor pencils. They are not meant to be colored in like that. I didn't add any water to it, but I just have these ones on hand and don't have anything else, so yeah. It was meant just to be a sketch to see if the colors match. So yeah, here I'm already starting to color in with illustration. It's easy thing to do, but it takes a while. Like obviously you can see you need to touch each leaf and change the shade or the gradient. So it's an easy program to work with, but it's really slow because vector illustration, I don't think it should be meant to be like that. People use it mostly for the logo designs or some more abstract and just different illustrations than this, but it works like that too pretty well. But it took me a couple of days, I guess, to do this. But still I learned a lot and I really love this illustration. It's simple, but colors could be much lighter than I did here. Here I'm touching in some patches which I couldn't catch with the first layers. Here I was doing nonsense with the carrot. Yeah, just trying to add some more colors. Yeah, about the color scheme. It could be much lighter and I can change it later if I want to. It would take me a little bit, but it's still pretty good. The idea on the sketch was this one, so I just kept it like that. Here I'm adding some shadows to make more definition. Oh, I didn't notice that you can see my reflection in the screen. It's pretty funny. So yeah, next time I will try and just screenshot all of the work I did. I guess my computer can do it, so that would be pretty neat because a view like that is much nicer, not like this. You can see like lines on my screen because of a reflection. Sorry about coughing, guys. So yeah, if any newbie catch this video and watch it with me, so I really recommend Inkscape. Try it. I'm not recommending them for any other reason, just because I saw them, I installed them, and it's like free of charge and complete manifest against the Photoshop, I guess, especially for the newbies. This program doesn't have so much fonts and patterns and stuff like that. I don't know if you can download any extensions. I should look it up, but still I was really excited to make a light effect. Yeah, I was pretty stoked about it. I was thinking, how do people do it? But obviously, when you started working on these programs, you understand. So yeah, this video is coming to an end, I guess. Here I was just fixing up some shadows which were too dark. And yeah, next time I really want to do all the video like that on a video recorder. I mean screen recorder. Okay, I will have to say bye here. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Vero. I have all the links on the description below.